Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the awkward smile filter on TikTok. It's very easy to get, just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you open your TikTok application, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab, so the second tab from your left. Then you want to go up to the top search bar and you just want to search for awkward smile filter. And once you search for that, you'll see a bunch of videos at the top. You just want to find a video with that filter on it. So if we just click through the videos here, as we see the first one right here has the awkward smile filter on it. Now, just above the person's username, you see the little yellow star with the awkward smile little icon there. You want to click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to add this to your favorites and you'll be able to use it on your own TikTok videos. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the awkward smile filter on TikTok. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.